What's up, muscle car people? This is Bringing Muscle Cars and I'm Matt. We got Jared working the camera, so if the video's not good, blame him. We got the 5-drawer tool cart from Harbor Freight. It's pretty similar to a lot of the other companies, Snap-ons, Mac Tools, all that, but it's a whole lot cheaper, and we're cheap. So we went with this. We keep this in the trailer for the race car, which we got back here. But as good as this car is, we can always make it better. We got our tool cart here from Harbor Freight. It's a great addition to keep your tools in, to store them. I bought mine to keep in the trailer for when we go to the racetrack. But here's some simple mods to make it even better. So the cart doesn't come with the side tray. So the first mod you should do, buy the side tray and install it. I did that when I bought the cart. So, mod number 2, we have swivel casters on one side and solid casters on the other. And so it makes it hard to actually move it and get it exactly where you want. So, Harbor Freight sells casters that will fit right in. Let me show you. Alright, so these are the swivel casters. You will notice that the wheels are blue. If you care, you can actually unbolt those wheels and unbolt these wheels and put the black wheels on there so they all match. I don't really care. So what you want to do is go to Harbor Freight, make 2 different trips, and use the 20% off coupon when you get the wheels. Got the casters on. Well, when I say we, I mean me. So I put the casters on. Now you can see moves all over the place. Makes it much easier. It's gonna probably be my favorite mod of the car. Alright, so Jared, show the people what we got. In case you're wondering what the string is, it's for the parachute, because that's how we roll. Alright, so the tool cart has these nice holes on the side to fit tools down the side, longer tools. However, longer tools like the pry bar fit down there. However, the handle is too long, so you can't lock the cart, which is okay if you don't ever plan on locking the cart. But I have people that borrow tools and never put them back, so I have to lock the cart, aka Jared. So the next mod is going to be a way to hold these, and we're going to use 2 different Harbor Freight tools, I guess, to do it. The first part we're going to use from Harbor Freight is actually a new part that they have. It is magnetic clip rail tool holder. That is a mouthful. Part number 70036. So it looks pretty neat. It's got a nice magnetic strip on the back, and we're going to use this and we're going to put it on the side of the cart. Like so. And then what we're going to take is the US General 18-inch magnetic holder. Now these are good. They have coupons for these all the time for like $2. I have a whole bunch because what I did was I actually took these apart, which you can see the magnets here. They slide out, and I made these into magnetic socket holders. So there's magnets down there to hold it and hold the tray from moving around inside the trailer. So I'll show you what we're going to use both of those for now. So it works pretty good. It may not be the prettiest, but as long as they stay there and hold it, hopefully we don't have to use pry bars too often at the track. They're gonna come up sometimes, but we're gonna have the longer ones there if we need them. Third mod we're gonna do is power strip. This is a new part from Harbor Freight, US General, part number 64748. And it's 5 outlet, heavy duty, 2 USB port power strip. The cool thing about this is they come in different colors. Of course, I have a black one because they didn't have any green ones, but they're made for the tool cart. So you see a lot of these videos, and I think what they did was they saw people modifying their tool carts, putting power strips in them, and they're like, hey, why don't we come out with one of our own? And that's what they did.
Well, I don't know, I guess we just put it like that. They totally made it look like it was supposed to fit there, but it doesn't. But it's got a heavy duty magnet on it, so we'll leave it there. And then what's nice about it is the USB ports are right there, and then we can charge our awesome flashlight. So both of these are pretty nice, but it's a little bit more money, and now it's way more money, but this flashlight is pretty badass. You can have it set up and charge it at the same time as what you use it, so the battery won't go dead. Woo, look at that. So, nice simple mod for the tool cart, and you don't have to drill into it. And today we're going to talk about part number 56199, and it's Toolbox guards. Box comes with 4, not 8. So I strap my toolbox down in the trailer that we keep the car in. Well, we don't keep the car in, but that we bring the car everywhere in. And so we have a strap running across here. So we're actually getting some wear on the paint. So we're trying to get that fixed. Okay.
This should be a pretty quick and easy install. So let's just get to it. Open the box. The look of determination. And it just has some 3M high quality. They really copied Snap-on with this, but I'm not gonna complain. They probably got it from the same factory Snap-on did. The trailer, I struggle with where to put my funnels and just some miscellaneous stuff to kind of hang. So Harbor Freight has these cool ring sets. I don't know if they're new or if I just didn't notice them because I wasn't looking before, but bought 2 sets that are like $2 a piece. So to install them, just put them like this. And then I can pop them. Of course, this would be my luck. Sometimes the hole is really tight, so you got to work it a little bit before you get to use it. All right, there we go. So now we can put the funnel on the side. I have a couple different funnels just for miscellaneous fluids. I have one
just for gas. So I'm gonna hang them just off on the side. I know it's basically gonna wreck the handle, but it is what it is. It's a tool cart for the trailer. Just makes it a lot more usable. One more thing I'd like to talk about is I know I have some of those magnets from Harbor Freight and they're good, but you have to drill through the lid to actually mount them. Where Cobalt has these heavy duty magnets, they're a little bit more money, but I mean, they hold the wrenches and they hold it down, and you don't have to drill anything, it's just the magnet holding it. I really like this. I have one here and one on the side for some other stuff, hopefully. But pick those up at Lowe's. Cobalt, I don't know how long they're gonna have them, but I did see that they essentially have the same thing, just Craftsman now. So it is what it is. So just want to say thanks for watching this video. If you made it all the way through, if you found it helpful, let me know what you really like down below. If I missed something or if you have a cool idea, let me know, because I might install it on the cart. Stay tuned, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any cool tool action, you don't miss any race car action, and let us know what you think down below. And if you got a fast car, you better bring it. Thanks for watching.